Using a 3/4 inch wrench, identify the bolts that are holding your refrigeration unit to the pallet. They'll be in all 4 corners. And loosen those at first with a wrench, and then they'll be hand loose for you to just loosen until they come out, and you can throw these away. All right, after you slide the unit slightly off the pallet, about the length of the condenser here, you're going to identify the larger of the 2 caster platforms, and it must be oriented with the wheels slightly inside, because these bolt holes are going to be on the corners and the wheels will be a little further in, and you're going to use the hardware that was included with your casters. It'll go lock washer, large washer, and then into the holes. And these can be making sure you've got it lined up correctly. They should sit up, and you can identify when the bolts goes in and tighten from there. Using the skinnier of the 2 caster mounts, make sure it's oriented so your channel hole is closest to you. We're going to repeat the same process by mounting the other side by hand first, and then using a 3/4 inch socket wrench, tighten it down until it can't turn anymore.